at น้ำตกเขาชำลม right now and
เขื่อน
there's a lot of rocks
ขุนด่านแดม
yeah my
ยิม
family
ขุนด่าน
members
แดม
are there
เอาเด้
and this is my location but you will see more later and I got myself so dirty I guess and wet from the waterfalls like around the place and
มา
the
กับใคร
water
บ้าง
and I came with my family members because it's Songkran and I need to pay respect to my like grand ancestors say that
แกนมัมแกน
yeah
ป้า
grandma grandpa and oh my god yeah but and also we come from boat right now and
เดินไป
like
เดิน
I love this place has like butterflies boat no we came from boat and we're going back to our hotel right now technically we're going back to our hotel and it's this place is like kind of dangerous because you could fall because like the
โน่บัตเตอร์ฟลายพี่
what
บัตเตอร์ฟลาย
yeah butterfly you could also fall over here like watch your steps if you come here and the grass make you itchy I forgot to tell you that's